welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe. Today we're jumping right into this video, but before we do that, if you guys have any questions about anything that I'm wearing today or any of the products, make sure you check in the description box below before asking in the comments, because they will be in there. And also, if you didn't know, you about to know, your girl right here, I make Amazon wig reviews on my channel, so if you guys want to see any of my videos or keep up with me, make sure you're a part of the team by hitting those big red letters below. Anyway, that's it for this intro. You guys don't want to make it too long. Let's jump right into this video about this unit from Superbwigs.
Okay, you guys, we are getting into this review with Superbwigs hair company. These are the items that were given in this beautiful box. Sorry, the box is so beat up. Y'all know mail carriers nowadays. Anyways, here's the unit. I actually went ahead and washed this unit before I gave it to y'all, and she seems super duper thick, as well as the lace kind of matching my skin. It was a little bit darker, but I ended up putting some makeup on that to fix that. Running my fingers through her, I did experience a little bit of shedding. I don't think it's anything too crazy to deal with, and while I wore the wig, she didn't shed as much. Maybe it was just my fingers going through the wig as such, but that's all the shedding that I had. I'm going to jump right into me styling this wig, but I'm definitely going to give you guys some information on her. So this is their Delilah 13x6 Burgundy Body Wave Human Hair Wigs. The unit was very much pre-plucked when I first got her, you guys, like super duper pre-plucked. Honestly, I didn't have to go back and pre-pluck her if I didn't want to, but this 13x6 frontal is more deeper in the middle than it is on the sides, as I'm showing you guys here. You can see the areas where she is plucked, and it kind of stops at the areas on the sides, just so you guys know it's not a full 13x6, but you do get a really deep middle part, as y'all will see later in the video. I have this hair texture in body wave. They also have this available in a silky straight, and I want to say that this wig unit that I have on is 22 inches, you guys. Right now they have this wig available in 22 inches for $264.99, and they do give the option to pay with PayPal. So the cap size that I have is a medium cap size. Gosh, Olineece talk. A medium cap size in 22.5 inches. This is virgin human hair, and the color is burgundy red, whatever y'all want to call it, whatever. Anyways, I know I wanted this wig to be super duper slayed, you guys, so I went in and I did a lot of work to this. A lot of YouTubers, look, this wig install is not easy, okay, y'all need to go and pluck your wigs and just do what you need to do so you can get that slayed look. I did spend about 30 to 45 minutes plucking this unit. You guys can see me going in there and plucking the part. Whenever you do pluck your part, you want to make sure that you're getting the knots. That's what's really going to give you that natural part look. And you want to pluck it as straight as possible off your head. That way you don't have to worry about it as much when it's on your head. So this burgundy unit really went well with my skin, let me tell y'all that. A girl was glowing, okay? I was feeling like Starfire. Anybody else, you feel me? Like, this did not give like Halloween effects. I can understand some burgundy wigs, when you order them, they look pinkish / magenta or anything, and even washing them / toning them doesn't help. But this wig didn't need to be washed or toned. She was true burgundy. So this is how she looked right before I put her on, plucked and just styled to perfection. I did use some Ebon tinting spray to get those knots all covered. I love this stuff instead of using makeup. The link will be in the description box below if you guys want to get your hands on some. I'm pretty sure you can get some off Amazon or your local beauty supply. But this is how she looks on my head, y'all. I'm doing my little dance because I was feeling cute. So I ended up installing and cutting this lace off camera just because I really wanted to be nice for you guys, and I wanted to do a style. So this style, I tried my best to show you guys in the video, but the style consisted of me doing some face framing layers and then just adding some curls at the end, as well as pulling some hair back. So I want to say that I did 3 layers in the front, quote unquote. This is my first layer. This is going to be the shortest layer. The hair is going to start off short and go long. After that, I did exactly what I just did with these two pieces with the next two pieces as well, just cutting that hair to give it some face framing effects. You guys, in this process, it doesn't really have to be perfect because I'm going to add some curls in it later. And also, if you wanted to leave your unit like that, you definitely could. But I just feel like I've always done just straight hair or curly hair, so I'm trying to switch it up for you guys and give y'all a style. And it was so cute with this burgundy wig. But after I put some oil in her, which is that bio silk, I just went through and I flat ironed her to prepare her for the style, just to give me a silky straight look, because like I said, she was washed and air dried before I ended up installing this unit. So I just wanted to make sure that she was just going to be as sleek as possible. And also I wanted to show you guys how she looks just straight if this is what you're opting for. I definitely suggest that you go and you get the body wave even if you want the hair to be straight, because it just gives it so much volume and body when you do end up flat ironing it, unless you want something that you know is going to be completely straight. So you guys, after I cut the hair around my face, I ended up pulling some of that hair back and hair in the back. I just used a clip, nothing too special, and I added some curls in the end. Y'all, this was so cute. I really don't know why we're not rocking this. Like, I was surprised with myself. I was like, I want something cute, but I also want something different. I'm really out here trying to impress y'all as my subscribers. So if y'all like this, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. If y'all think I look crazy, don't thumbs down it. Just let me know in the comments, okay? Just be like, Olineece, we don't really know why you did that, but that was insane. But I did it and I thought it was cute. Anyways, that's it as far as this voiceover goes. I'm going to give you guys some extra information in the end, so just stay tuned for that. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this, make sure you give me a big thumbs up and watch till the end.
And boom, y'all, this is the final look, okay? All that's holding this back here is this clamp. If you want, you guys can use rubber bands or bobby pins. I did use some bobby pins on this side, and I ended up spraying this look with some hold spray. Just this got to be glued hold spray. I really hope that you guys like my red hair. If you guys are gonna purchase this wig, make sure to check in the description box below for the link, because it will be down there. If you guys decide to do this style with any other wigs, just at me if you guys take any pictures, because I want to see. I'm definitely not the first person to do this style, but I just thought I would give y'all a style today instead of just throwing some curls in her or just leaving her straight. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe so you never miss one of my videos. Thank you, Superbwigs, so much for sending me this unit so I could review it for you guys. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a blessed and awesome day, and I hope to see you guys as subscribers, watchers, or commenters of my next video. Bye, and thanks for watching.